was involved right from the start, working closely with the Equans Estates team and Garth, the BDM for the North region here at Medico. From the beginning, I made sure we had the right parts threshold agreed so my team had the flexibility to fix equipment immediately and minimise downtime for the hospital.
As far as challenges go, one of the challenges the Trust were having with Equans was the servicing, maintaining and repairing of the Aneticaid trolleys particularly. Aneticaid aren't favourable towards providing a third party with spares. So the workaround we found with that was they're very happy to provide the end user with the spares, and our engineers are fully qualified to service and repair. So we just provide the Trust through Equans with the spares required, which are delivered within a matter of days, and then we just attend site and complete the repair and service and get them back into the system.